Most people set goals. Very few people achieve them. Every year, people start motivated, and every year, most goals fail. But what if the problem is not your goal? What if the problem is how you think about goals? Today, you'll learn why your goals keep failing and exactly how to fix them. Welcome to Rebuilt Mindset, the channel where we break old thinking and build a stronger, disciplined mindset. If you want real growth, clear goals, and long-term success, you are in the right place. Today's topic is very important because failed goals destroy confidence. Let's talk about why your goals keep failing and how to fix them. Part 1. The painful truth about goals. Let's be honest. Most people fail at goals not once, but again and again. They fail at fitness goals, money goals, career goals, personal growth goals. After some time, they stop trusting themselves. They say, "I'm not disciplined. I always quit. Goals don't work for me." But goals do work. Your system doesn't. Part 2. Reason your goals are too vague. One big reason goals fail is because they are unclear. Examples: I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I want a better life. These are wishes, not goals. Clarity. It needs a target. Fix. Instead of vague goals, be specific. Bad goal: I want to make money. Better goal: I want to earn $3,000 per month using one online skill. Clarity creates focus. Focus creates action. Reason you set emotional goals. Many people set goals when they feel motivated. New year, new motivation, new energy. But motivation is emotional, and emotions don't last. When motivation fades, the goal fades. Fix. Build goals on logic, not emotion. Ask, why is this goal important? What pain will I face if I don't achieve it? Who do I become if I succeed? Strong reasons beat weak emotions. Part 4. Reason you focus on results, not action. Most people think about results: money, body, status, success. But results are delayed. When results don't come fast, people quit. Fall in love with daily actions. Instead of, "I want to lose 10 kg, focus on, "I will walk 30 minutes every day. I will eat clean 5 days a week." Actions are in your control. Results are not. Part 5. Reason you try to change everything at once. This is a big mistake. People wake up one day and say, "I'll wake up early, healthy. I'll work harder. I'll stop bad habits." Everything at once. This creates pressure. Pressure creates burnout. One small progress. Change one habit at a time. One small win builds confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Progress beats perfection. Part 6. Reason you don't have a system. Goals without systems always fail. A goal says, "I want to succeed." A system says, what time you wake up, what you work on daily, how you track progress. Winners have systems. Losers have wishes. One small win, guide daily. Ask, what do I do every day? What do I do every day? Week? How do I measure progress? Systems make success boring and repeatable. Part 7. Reason you quit too early. Most people quit right before results appear. They work for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months. Then they stop. Growth is invisible before it is visible. Fix. Commit to time, not motivation. Say, "I will do this for 90 days, no matter what." Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats motivation. Fire. Part 8. The big mindset shift. Here is the truth. Goals don't fail. People fail to become the person who achieves them. Stop asking, what goal should I set? Start asking, who must I become? Disciplined person, focused person, patient person. When identity changes, behavior changes. If your goals keep failing, it doesn't mean you are weak. It means your approach is wrong. Fix the clarity, fix the system, fix the mindset. One rebuilt mindset can change your entire future. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Rebuilt Mindset. We are here to help you think better, act smarter, and build a stronger life. See you in the next video. Stay focused. Stay disciplined.